Welcome back to Car Showcase. The 2026 Nissan GT-R, famously known as Godzilla, roars back into the spotlight with a bold presence, cutting-edge technology, and an aggressive performance upgrade that pushes the boundaries of what a sports car can be. For decades, the GT-R has represented the pinnacle of Japanese automotive engineering, and the 2026 model continues that legacy with new levels of refinement, power, and style that redefine the meaning of modern performance. Under the hood, the 2026 GT-R features a hand-built 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers a monstrous 600 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides lightning-quick gear changes. Nissan's advanced Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system remains at the core, allowing the GT-R to grip the road with precision and agility in all conditions. The suspension has been retuned to enhance both cornering ability and ride comfort, creating a more balanced driving experience that feels at home on both winding mountain roads and high-speed tracks. In terms of design, the 2026 GT-R receives a subtle yet aggressive facelift. Aerodynamics have been optimized with a redesigned front fascia, larger air intakes, and a revised rear diffuser that increases downforce and improves cooling efficiency. The signature quad-tail lights and sharp creases maintain the GT-R's recognizable silhouette, but modern touches like new LED lighting elements and updated wheel designs add a contemporary edge. Inside the cabin, Nissan blends race-inspired styling with everyday comfort. Premium leather and Alcantara materials, along with carbon fiber accents, create a driver-focused interior that feels both luxurious and purposeful. A new digital instrument cluster and a larger infotainment touchscreen bring the cockpit into the current tech era, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Bose sound system. Nissan also introduced a new suite of safety and driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, making the 2026 GT-R more suitable for daily driving without compromising its ferocious personality. The 2026 Nissan GT-R is set to be released in the first quarter of 2026, with official availability expected to begin in March. As for pricing, the base model starts at approximately $132,000 in the United States, with higher trims like the GT-R Nismo pushing past the $220,000 mark. While the price tag is substantial, the value lies in its uncompromising blend of performance, heritage, and engineering excellence. The GT-R remains a symbol of relentless innovation, and in 2026, Godzilla continues to reign supreme in the world of high-performance machines. Thanks for watching, and we will meet soon in next video.